Today, at 5:49 p.m., outside the United Nations headquarters, Luo Rongzin self-immolated in protest of China's occupation of Tibet. He was declared deceased at 7:04 p.m. Luo is one of over 160 self-immolations of Tibetans protesting China's occupation. Luo was born in Khartay, Tibet, and escaped to India. He was president of the Tibetan National Congress, section New York, New Jersey, and he was a beloved member of the New York Tibetan community. He was also a tireless activist for Tibetan freedom and independence. Luo's brother is still inside Tibet and continues to be denied medical treatment because he was a former political prisoner. In Luo's final statement posted to Facebook, he emphasized how Tibetans inside Tibet are doing their utmost best to keep Tibetan language and culture alive, even under CCP rule. His self-immolation comes just one day after China's Ethnic Unity and Progress Law goes into effect. This law will criminalize the identity, culture, religion, and language of the millions of Tibetans living under China's brutal occupation. May Logwa, along with the countless other Tibetan martyrs and Tibetan freedom fighters, be reborn in a free Tibet. Pegelo.